Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev, and today I want to show you this keyboard, this FE87 Pro single light from IROK brand. So they're saying that this is perfect gaming keyboard, and I want to check it together with you today. So first of all, this is 104 keys keyboard, plastic, black. You can find this also in a white color with red linear and brown tactile switches. From the first look, it's very simple keyboard. From a back side you have this wireless dongle slot and exchangeable angle. You can set up your angle for this keyboard, right? From this side we have ABS keycaps, pretty simple, kind of double shot partially, but not shine through, right? This keyboard is with RGB, right? We have 3-pin brown mechanical switch, and this switch is not pre-looped, or at least I cannot find this lubricant on it. We have RGB, we have kind of RGB, but only one color. So RGB on this keyboard is less important as possible, but anyway, we have it, and it's north facing, right? Why I bring this keyboard to your attention is because in general this is very budget, less than 50 bucks, and with some sales it could be even less, and with a great potential. So if you're looking for this size, this form factor of the gaming mechanical keyboard, and we have a full NK rollover, right? Windows and Mac, and we have even additional legend for Mac. You can connect over Bluetooth or wireless or wired. So from kind of first look point of view, we have everything what we may need in this keyboard for gaming and typing. The only one issue that it's little bit looks, I would say, cheap, but I want to do a quick and simple mods today and show you the potential of this keyboard. So please, think about this as a base for your potential development or development of this keyboard in your hand. Let's do the initial sound test, quick mod, and then final sound test. So it's not great from the sound point of view. Yeah, it's maybe less important for gaming, but why not to have both good mechanical keyboard with perfect typing sound and good gaming keyboard? So let's do the change. Unfortunately, this case of this keyboard is not very friendly for disassembling, which is a little bit strange for the mechanical keyboard. So I need to say that it was rather hard to open. So be careful if you are going to do the same. Okay, let's continue. So to remove this plate, we need to unscrew several screws. Okay, second step is a little bit better. You need just to unscrew several screws, and you can remove the metal plate. The stabilizers, by the way, pre-looped, even over pre-looped, because it's all wet. Under the metal plate we have this foam, which is great for sound. Under this foam we have another layer of switch pad, and this layer brings even better sound than the switch foam. So that's why I'm saying that this keyboard potentially quite good for mechanical keyboard modding. So underneath we have a PCB plate with one connector to the on-off button, and underneath of PCB we have a very tiny layer of foam. So let's do quickly our modding stuff. So first of all, let's apply painter type mod. Here you go. Do not forget to leave some space for the connector. I want to apply some silicone rings, but maybe not for this place, but on top of switch pad. Yep. Now let's put some silicone rings. Here we go. Now we are ready to apply back the upper case with plastic cover, and let's continue. Right. So let's apply some new switches and new keycaps. And today I'm gonna to use this Echo version 3 Pro switches. They are also tactile, but a little bit better quality. Okay, this board should look like this before you will start adding your keycaps. Okay, and let's use today some pretty nice and funny keycaps, but high quality keycaps. And this is related to coffee. Everybody loves coffee, right? Okay, and here we go. A little bit of high quality switches and keycaps, and we're ready for new sound test. Today we built a little bit clicky keyboard. You can use any other switches and keycaps to get a little bit more silence keyboard if you are planning to game a lot and you need some silence, right? But from the overall point of view, just check this out. This is a perfect gaming mechanical keyboard, what you can build starting from the like as less as 50-40 bucks. So that's why I bring this keyboard to your attention, because it's really, with some tweaks and enhancement, could be your perfect start of mechanical keyboard journey. If you're wondering how I built my other keyboards, please check this video on my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.